Hi, my name is Tri Tran, the current convener for CIGRE Australian Panel A1 in rotating electrical machines. I am pleased to present the 2021 annual summary report for the A1 Australian panel. As an overview, the Study Committee A1 main purpose is to focus on the development of new technologies and the international exchange of information and knowledge in the field of rotating electrical machines. To add value to this information and knowledge by means of synthesizing state-of-the-art practices and developing guidelines and recommendations. There are 4 advisory groups and study areas in Study Committee A1. Turbo Generators Group focuses on condition assessments, maintenance, refurbishments, power upgrade, asset management, and long-term health assessments. Hydro Generators Group has the same focus on Turbo Generators Group. Non-conventional rotating machines group focuses on the wind turbine generators and superconducting machines. In addition, it also involves in reviewing grid code as impact on generators. Large motors and drive groups focuses on motors greater than 1 kV and 500 kilowatts. Benefit of high efficiency motors, variable speed drive motors, and impact of flexible operations on large motors. Key areas of interest: asset management to extend the life of existing generators or to recommend their replacement. Machine monitoring, diagnosis and prognosis to perform optimal maintenance. Enhancements in the construction of large turbo generators and hydro generators. Renewable generations, large motors and high efficiency motors. High efficiency rotating electrical machines with new materials, improving cooling and insulation system in generators and motors. Utilization of polymer nanocomposite as near future high voltage electrical insulation in rotating electrical machines. I'm pleased to report this year A1 Study Committee has 26 active working groups. 11 of them are at final stage. In particular, 3 technical brochures being finalized. From Study Committee A133 on guide for cleanliness and storage of generators. From Study Committee A148 on guidance on high-speed testing of turbo generator rotors. From Study Committee A154 on impact of flexible operation on large motors. 9 working groups are in progress. 6 working groups have started. 26 papers were submitted to Paris. A1 Study Committee Chairman reported at Paris 2021 virtual session on working group status review, technical council meeting and activities, study committee scope and strategic direction, more focus on wind generation and synchronous condensers, paper submission and review process. 1 tutorial was presented at Paris virtual session on the 18th of August 2021. The topic was impact of flexible operation on large motors, presented by Working Group A154, Mr. John Doyle, Tom Beckwith, and Peter Weir. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the 2021 Paris session this year was conducted online. 3 preferential subjects this year were generation mix of the future, effect and risk of an increasing renewable power mix on existing legacy generators, generator auxiliaries and motors, improvements in design and maintenance practices to comply with new and future grid requirements, evolution and trends in new machines for renewable generation. Asset management of electrical machines, experience with refurbishment, replacement, design improvements, power up rating, and efficiency improvement of aged generators and motors. Optimize condition monitoring, diagnosis, prognosis, and maintenance practices to improve reliability and extend operational life. Operational and project experience, installation, failure analysis, robotic inspection, recovery option, cost and time reduction initiatives, and effect of torsional electromechanical oscillation for synchronous condensers, wind turbine generators, turbo generators, hydro generators, and motors. Development of rotating machine and operational experiences. Designs, specifications, materials, manufacturing, maintenance, performance, and efficiency improvement of electrical machines. Condition monitoring technique and equipment. The study committed A1 activities in the areas of turbo and hydro generators are particularly relevant to Australia. For example, the technical brochure 690 just recently completed on vibration and stability problem experienced in new, old, and refurbished hydro generators. Working Group A129 guide on new generator grid interaction requirements. This is highly relevant to prevent the widespread state blackouts similar to that in 2016 in South Australia. Working Group A131, state-of-the-art of stator winding support in slot area and winding overhang of hydro generators. Working Group A137, generator stator winding support system experience, highly relevant to the older turbo and hydro generators where they experience high-end winding vibrations. New Working Group, Joint Working Group A1C466 in progress, guide on synchronous condensers for system inertia, short circuit withstand capability, and megavar support in power grid and high level of renewable energy generation. New Working Group A170 just started, dielectrics dissipation factor measurement of stator windings, relevant to winding diagnostic, particularly to the aging fleet in Australia. About Australian panel AU-A1 rotating electrical machines. The AU-A1 panel currently has 14 members and 2 experts, representing all states of Australia. Due to COVID-19, again, the panel can only meet online in 2021. Members participated most study committee A1 working groups. Members shared experience in the form of presentations at panel meetings in a wide range of topics such as generator, motor failures, abnormal operations, major overhaul experience, new industry practice and technologies, generator condition monitoring, successes in managing old generators, and so on. Members make a contribution to technical papers and networking. Thank you for listening. Now I invite your questions, or alternatively, you can send me an email to my email address on the first slide. Thank you.